Vashu, let's start today's story.
Yes!
Okay. So there was a frog whose name was Fanny. The frog used to live near the pond. One day he thought, I don't have any friend with whom I can hop, I can play around, I can jump. Then he thought, there is a fish inside the pond. He said, Hey fish, are you there? The fish jumped and said, Yes, my name is Larry. What is your name? So Fanny said, My name is Fanny. Can you play with me? Can you jump with me? Hop with me? Now the fish said, I can be your friend, but I live inside the water. If I come out, I may die. So I cannot come out. So Frog said, Oh, is it? So don't come out. We will be friends. Be inside the water. Okay, bye. And the fish said, Bye. Now the Fanny was sad. He said, Okay, I will go inside the jungle. Now while going inside the jungle, he saw that there was a crocodile who was sitting near the bank of river. He said, Hey, who are you? So crocodile said, I am a crocodile. I live near this swampy area. My name is John. What is your name? So Fanny said, My name is Fanny. I live near that pond. I want a friend with whom I can hop, I can jump. Can you be my that friend? Now the crocodile said, I could be your friend, but I am a reptile. I live near this river. I cannot jump. I can just crawl, crawl, crawl. So I can be the friend, but not that friend who can jump with you. So let's be your friend. You can go inside that jungle. Can you see the jungle? Fanny turned back and he said, Yes, I can see the jungle. So the crocodile said, Then you can go there and maybe you can find a friend there. Fanny said, Thank you. Thank you, John. Let's meet again. Bye. And then Fanny jumped. And he was jumping, hopping, jumping, hopping. He saw a tree. And in a tree, he saw a small creature. Now the creature came out and he said, Hey, who are you? Fanny said again, I am a frog.
I am a frog.
And my name is Fanny. So, who are you? So the caterpillar said, I am a caterpillar. I live in this tree. What do you want? You look to be very happy. You are jumping. So frog said, Yes, I am very happy. I need a friend who can play with me and hop with me. Can you be my that friend? So the caterpillar said, Look how small I am. I am so a tiny creature. I am an insect. I cannot jump. I cannot hop. I can just crawl a little bit. So, I cannot be your that friend. And Fanny Frog said, Okay, I will go inside the jungle. He entered the jungle. There, an animal came. Ah, ah, ah. Fanny got frightened. Who is this? Fanny said, Who are you? Elephant asked, Oh, who are you? Fanny said, I am a Fanny Frog. I live near that pond. I want a friend who can jump with me, who can play with me. Can you be my that friend? Ah, can you see how big I am? Can you see my trunk? I live in this jungle. I am a wild animal. I'm so big. And the Fanny Frog said, okay, so you cannot jump with me? He said, no, with my big trunk, with my big body, I cannot jump like you. I can just walk. And the Fanny said, okay. But then the elephant turned around and he said, I can be your friend and I can tell you who can be your friend. Fanny got happy. Oh, please tell me, who is that friend with whom I can go? I can hop, I can jump. Please, please, please tell me. You are such a good friend. Elephant said, okay, so there inside the jungle you will find a rabbit who can jump with you, who can play with you. And Fanny said, okay, thank you so much, we'll meet again. And he said, oh, okay. And the elephant went. So then an animal came who was jumping, jumping, jumping. And Fanny saw them. Fanny said, hey, hi, who are you? So now the rabbit said, hi, I'm a rabbit. My name is Bunny. Fanny said, oh, such a good name. My name is Fanny. I live near that pond outside the jungle. Can you see? So Bunny said, yeah, I went there once. I saw there. So what do you want, Fanny? So Fanny said, I want a friend who can jump with me, who can hop with me. Can you be my that friend? Now the rabbit said, yes, I can be your that friend. I also jump, hop, and I also play. So they both became friends and they both did jumping, 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 hopping, 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 stomp their feet, humping, hopping, hopping, jumping, jumping, jumping. And here they became friends and the story got finished. Did you enjoy the story, Archie?
Yes.